Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Well, Madi from Bahasa Inggris in Panamazilna Simbutembut. Right now, Bahasa Inggris in Panamazil Alinaya Simbutembut. I think when you live in Kisaran, you know where Si Umbutumbut is, right? As usual, I will share the three expression, right? There are three expression, and I will try to share with you. It becomes our program, I think, to share the three expression. Well, let's see. Number one, we have you need to take responsibility. All right, you need to take responsibility, or you can say you need to take responsibility. The meaning is here, right? So the meaning is, the English is, you need to take responsibility. So you can use this one maybe when you are talking with your friend, you can use this expression, right? This is the meaning and this is the English. You need to take responsibility. This is the meaning. Well, number two, there is nothing you can do to prevent it. Once again, there is nothing you can do to prevent it. Right? If we read it fast, there is nothing you can do to prevent it. There is nothing you can do to prevent it. So when we read slowly, there is nothing you can do to prevent it. The meaning is below. All right? So you can say, the English, there is nothing you can do to prevent it. Next, number three. I just need a minute to wrap my head around this problem. So wrap my head around this problem is, wrap my head around. This is idiom, so we cannot translate idiom one or word per word, yeah, or by word. No, we cannot translate that one. So it's kind of idiom, right? To wrap my head around, the meaning is to think or to find a way. Not to think, I mean to understand, right? So the meaning of to wrap my head around is to understand or to accept, or to find a way to understand or to find a way to accept. All right. Once again, I just need a minute to wrap my head around this problem. And the meaning is, all right. So you can say, I just need a minute to wrap my head around this problem. Again, to wrap my head around. Oh my God, I forgot to write down. It's not around, but I will try to write down. Yes, this one. It should be like this. Okay, I forgot the N, right? So I just need a minute to wrap my head around, not around, right? Not like this. Around this problem. Okay. Well, I think just three, and you can use it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, right? Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Amadi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.